so tall. It's so tall. Look at these legs. Ooh, 5 meters. I'm eating 藕粉糕，好吃吗？好吃福林糕吗？好吃。
More smaak dan andere.
Pretty good. Hi guys. We're at 小莲庄. Literal translation, Elena.
Small lotus building.
Here, as you can see, a lot of lotuses, birds. I don't know where that came from. This 湖下面 a stone that has been dug out of the river from underneath there. I have been bitten here. Can you see it? Yes. Somewhere back there. We are going to our room right now. Ooh, look how cute. Got some arts. Got a little bit of, I don't know, green. Here we got a little chilling area. Oh, that's really bright. That's really bright. Oh, that's one of our rooms. Because we got the 2-person. A little toilet, a bath. And here's the shower. Wait, can I get in? Shower. And we're gonna cook. This is our bed, Elena, you and me tonight in here. Yippee! Here we got a little tree thing. Oh, I think other people can also have this. Maybe we should turn. And let's have a look. What do we see out of the window? Woo! Oh, that's really cool looking down there. First, got some carrots and some beef. Okay, it's 10 p.m. and we are going out to get some bambian, some noodles, some instant noodles. This overhead lighting makes my head look huge. So we are going to find that, and maybe also some other things. I'm very excited. This is not so. You're doing this secretly. I didn't know how to get out. You can also sit there. We gotta sit there and eat the papimen secretly. Like we get the hot water upstairs. And then
I see.
Oh yes, wow. Okay, now we have to find it. Lena, we're back in the game. We have like 7 minutes and we have 1 hour to finish the job. Finish it to find
a mission. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, let me show the moon. It's really round.
Okay.
I don't know if you can see it. I can't see it on there. Very, very round.
I don't even you sang with me.
Exactly, we don't have any weapons with us now. If we get
Two
kidnapped, we
girls
are
alone in the
dead.
streets.
We are cooked. So I think I'm gonna call Carlos later when we in the store, and maybe a few minutes afterwards, just in case we get kidnapped. Somebody kind of knows what happens, and then he can. I don't know what he can do. He can't call my parents.
Does he have a parent's number?
I
don't know.
Well, there should be something he can do, right? Right. Right. Should be fine. Trust. Just in case, you know. Even though there are cameras everywhere, so even if we would get kidnapped, the police should be able to find us. But like, you never know. You never know. We are in Huzhou now, and we are staying at the. I forgot the name. Something 时 something 和 时 as in time, and 河 as in river, because as you've seen maybe we got like a kind of river thingy inside the hotel, and sadly we don't have the privilege to take a little boat or get to our room Venetian style, boat style, but some people do, I suppose. Okay.
Cross the road.
We need to cross the road. My arm hurts from holding the camera like this.
You're a vlogger now, and
I'm a vlogger. I need to work this arm, get my biceps in this shit. Work out. Being vlogger is not easy. It's not an easy task.
No.
I switched arms. I gave in. I was weak. Somebody almost let us walk onto the highway.
Highway. It's not a highway. It's just.
How do you know it was not a highway? Those cars look pretty fast to me, but luckily I called it out. I said, "Hey, this looks a little bit weird." And then she was like, "Oh no, look at it. No, it's fine." And then she realized it wasn't fine. Yeah. Do you think people will get jump scares from my vlogs if I do sudden zoom ins?
Like I have a knife right in your face, and not expecting it, right?
That was the scariest grocery shopping experience ever. But we got our Mian and a little drink. It was like very old, like low-key kind of scabby. I don't know. Grocery store. And just when you walk in, the door is also closed, so you have to like literally open it yourself.
Shove it to the side.
And, the shoving type of door. And then when you come in, you directly get faced by 3 like middle-aged men that are smoking, and like I think one of them had their shirt like half up, and I was like, oh my god, we are about to die. It's over and done. So as we said, very scary experience
Of giving kind of the mafia kind.
Yeah.
Like the street thugs who like.
Yeah, I was slightly giving tugs. I was kind of fearing my life.
This is a video that
we have survived.
We survived.
It's fine. We got our stuff. We're going back. And this cost us $7.50, which is like, I don't know, about €1. So yeah, not even €1.
Yeah, it's like less
than €1, I think. But yeah, pretty good price. Scary experience. 1 or 2 out of 10. Don't recommend. Just go to the store when it's not in the middle of the night. And maybe also one that's like more reliable, like a chain grocery store, like I don't know, 7-Eleven or something.
7-Eleven.
Yeah. I think I would like that, but
You want to drink now?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Ching. little update. We tried to get in with our cards through those gates, but it beeped and it said no. It said no, you can't come in. And we were like, oh, well, shit. But luckily, some dads let us in. Very nice. Yes. Bye, bestie. Let's go, bestie. We are gonna be stalker of bestie. Where are you going?
You do know that they're gonna get like ding dong and then
And then we run.
You know, I was trying to look at this view, and I went like this, and I went, oh, it's beautiful, and then my head bumped this.
Oh, oh yeah, I see. I think I see several like heads. Today's breakfast, we got croissant with an egg in it, sausage, corn, salads, porridge, I think, some fruits, and I don't know what that is. And I have some pickles, and also a glass of milk. Hi guys, we are lost. Well, I am definitely lost. Elena claims to know the way to go back home, and I'm not too sure if I believe it because the architecture of this building is crazy. Hey, why is she going so fast? She is trying to abandon me. Abandon me. Oh, I am all alone. And she has just left me, and I will never find a way back. And this is absolutely oh, I got locked out. I'm gonna go drunk by Mama. They should have locked me out. Very not nice of you. It is very sunny outside.
Very moist.
Very moist. Even though it did rain a little bit, but we didn't see that. We got some tomatoes that the onyx were planting and gonna eat probably. Just did a lot of
Climbing,
praying, I guess.
but also climbing towards the temples where we prayed.
Yes. For good luck, good health, safety, and monies. This video really warm, but we're going to get some food now. Get some noodles from the monks, or not the monks themselves. I'm not too sure actually. We sit down here. The other side there's another lake. There's gonna be that Hua over here, and on the other side they're gonna have some fireworks if the weather allows it. I'm not too sure if you can see it, but it's raining now and it's thundering. Huge thunder. It was really loud and really close by. That's an eye. Look at this cutie.
We just watched the fireworks and it was very beautiful, very loud, and it was longer than I expected. It was fun. It was also quite a while since we saw some real fireworks, so that was exciting.
Very exciting.
There's a less activity today,
And we are going back to the hotel now. So we can shower. I need a good shower. It's been a sweaty day.
And yes. So yeah. Bye.
Here, so cute. We are on adventure time. I don't think they're real. Yeah. And we found a whole new place. It's on the 7th floor. And they got a little bar over here. Well, nothing going on right now, but you could be like sitting here, very chill. And here's some water. And over there, the little pits is where you can have fire, like a campfire or anything. And behind there, there's a little, I don't know, it could be like a reading nook, like a fake flower, like garden. May have lost the rest of the gang, but I can hear them. I'm gonna see what's they got offer. If somebody's jumping out of here, I'm gonna have a heart attack. I know you just can't get like. This is today's breakfast. We got some more porridge with 玉米还是南瓜？哇 something. Same fruits, milk, same 3 things but different breads, and then other zha. This water is the Huzhou Lake, the 3rd biggest lake in China. There we have the hotel that we saw yesterday. Little bear, 熊 and fish. While I'm waiting for the car, let's have an introductory. This is Doraemon, my Chinese Asian baddie. You'll know this.